¿Qué onda, Spanish students? Welcome back to our Pura Buena Onda YouTube channel. My name is Paola, and today let's talk about when to use the relative pronoun quien. The relative pronoun quien and its plural form quienes only refer to people, and they're not as commonly used as in English. In Spanish, we frequently use the relative pronoun que. If you want to know how to use the relative pronoun que, click on the link on the description box. We frequently use it to replace the subject of a verb, meaning the person that is performing the action of the verb. Let's take a look at this example. Mi vecina, quien vive en el segundo piso, me invitó a su fiesta. My neighbor, who lives in the second floor, invited me to her party. The relative pronoun quien in the dependent clause is the subject of the verb vive. Now let's take a look at this example. Los actores, quienes actúan en mi obra favorita, han renunciado. The actors who act on my favorite play have given up their jobs. As you can see, the relative pronoun quienes in the dependent clause is the subject of the verb actúan. You can also use it to replace the object of a verb, meaning the person that is being affected by the verb. For example, saludé a la profe de español, a quien vi en la calle. I said hi to the Spanish teacher, whom I saw on the street. Or, Ana es una amiga con quien trabajé en San Diego. Ana is a friend with whom I worked in San Diego. Also, note that in the structure of these two phrases, the preposition needed by the verb goes right before the pronoun quien or quienes. So we have the preposition a, the pronoun quien, and then the verb ver. And also the verb trabajar needs the preposition con, with, to work with. So we have the preposition con, and then the pronoun quien, and then the verb trabajo. Thanks for watching. Remember to follow us on our other social media on Instagram and Facebook so you don't miss any of our content. Hasta luego!